Hey everyone, today I'll be reviewing some exercise resistance bands here. They come in a 3-pack. Each band has a different level of resistance. It also comes with a convenient mesh pouch that you can store them in. And out of this packaging, you get an info card where you can email them if you want some more detailed exercise videos, but you can always just search on YouTube or other places online if you want better demonstrations. So in increasing resistance, you first have the green one, and then you have the medium resistance pink one, and then the most resistance purple one. Out of the three, I'm sure you can find one that would fit your level of difficulty. Personally, as somebody who regularly goes to gym, the pink one is actually just right for me. The purple one I can also use, but I definitely get tired much faster with the purple one. And of course, this also means you can progressively increase your strength training as you get more accustomed to these resistance bands. What I like the most about these resistance bands is that they have the silicone lining on the inside, which helps them stay in place when you have them on your leg and you're moving them around, which is really important. You don't want these bands to be slipping up and down while you're working out. Another nice thing about the material choice is that because it's mostly made out of fabric versus an all rubber design, these don't pinch when you stretch them out and compress them back in, which means they are comfortable to use on bare skin with leggings or with shorts. So I think these are really nice exercise gear to own or give away. They are great for beginners up to advanced levels. There's a lot of things you can do with them. Of course, because of its compact nature, you can bring it with you when you travel. Not to mention they're also really inexpensive. If there's one criticism I do have with them is that the smell of the material is quite pungent, particularly when you first unbox them. It was like really in your face when I took them out of the bag. But with some aeration, the smell definitely does fade away over time, and at this point, it's just a faint smell when I take them out. So with the new year just starting, I'm sure some of you still trying to hit those fitness resolutions. This might be something you would consider. As usual, I'll have the product link in the description so you guys can pick it up for yourselves.